How to schedule email in Gmail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device, and now in order to schedule an email, firstly go ahead and compose the email. So start by tapping on the compose button you see there, and further go ahead and enter the email ID of the individual whom you want to send the email. Now, once you have entered the recipient details, simply go ahead and compose your email and add in all the required information. Once done, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for schedule send. So tap on the schedule send option you see there, and you can then see a bunch of options available for scheduling. You will see options such as tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon or Monday morning or pick and date time. So if you want to pick a date and time of your own choice, then you can tap on the pick date and time option you see there and then enter your preferred date and time. If not, you can simply tap on the tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon or Monday morning option you see there. And with this, the email will be sent in that particular timing. So this was about how you can schedule email in Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.